Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and I'm doing the first entry in my junk journal July. Well, actually the first 3 entries because I'm on catch up already. So I am going to do hello, collage and label. Okay. So we'll just set our little closure aside for now. And I'm just going to start at the front and do my hello. So I've just got a super simple and easy title of hello, which I suppose is kind of obvious. So I'm saying hello to July 2023, not 2032, 2023. And I was thinking somehow maybe just making it all at a wee jaunty angle with the July in there and that. And I'm just going to show you the stamp sets. The numbers are Waffle Flower, Make Something Today. I've had these 3 stamp sets for many years. I'm not sure, it's called Sketchy Numbers. I'm not sure if they're still available, but you might come across them somewhere, maybe on eBay or whatever. Yeah, so there's that one. This little July is clear alphabet stamps from Hobbycraft. Hobbycraft aren't so good now with their stamp range, but you might be able to pick up something. And these ones here are Hello by Craftwork Cards, and I know that Craftwork Cards went out of business a number of years ago, but like again, you might be able to find these. It's called Printer's Blocks. So yeah, like I say, I've had them a good long while, but it's nice to dig them out the back of the cupboard and get them used. So let's just get them stuck down. I'm just going to use my glue stick, whoops, and blow the numbers away. So yeah, they've been stamped on just tea-dyed printer paper, just copy paper, so glue stick will hold them absolutely no bother. Whoops. I'm so glad that I already did some work in the journal, added a few bits. If you haven't seen that video, it's part 2 of making the journal. And because I knew right away that I would fall behind, and I thought, you know, I'm going to put the 3 on first so that I know I've got enough room. Because if I put that 2 on, this only goes to here. So I want to make sure that that 3 is going to be there and not fall off the page. So yeah, I'm glad I added bits because it's made the first prompt super easy because I'm not starting on a blank page. Now, I have, in fact, done the first 3 prompts, but I think just because it suited what I was doing, but I might just jump about because the list of prompts, because some of them might go together better than others. So that's my hello. Pleased with that. Yeah, Hello July 2023. Okay, so the next one is collage, one of my favourite things, and I'm going to skip this page and jump to this page because this page already has a little bit of one of my collages on it, and I've got my little dish of things here that I'm going to use for a collage. This has been stamped. Again, I'm not sure if this is still available. It's from the Artistic Stamper, and it's called Journaling Words 1. Now, I have had this a while, but it's not ancient, so you might still be able to get that. It's not ancient. So I was thinking something like, I still want to see this moon face. Collage, create collage, and then I've got this bit of thing that I thought might just be quite nice as a little half of a frame, and yeah, happy with that. So let's just put this down here. So I'm aiming to get it just in line with that little E there, and then it should be in the right spot. And then this just go and slap bang in the middle. The opticians, is it an optician's eye test thing? No, it's just an alphabet. Usually the optician isn't in alphabetical order so that you can't cheat when you're getting your eyes tested. That's something I'll need to do. I've not been to the optician for, a good wee while, so I think I'll be needing new glasses. That's for sure. And they're not cheap too, so I'll need to save my pennies. Stop buying fancy paper. Now, where did my collage go? There, it's there. It was underneath my gluey paper. That's how you lose things. Yes, I maybe need to prioritise my new specs over buying crafty things. That's not any fun. Now, I have a feeling that this might be sticky, because this is part of something else that I think was sticky. Maybe not. Nope, doesn't seem to be. But glue stick won't hold that. No, that's just a thread. I thought it was starting to come loose there, but it's not. So we'll use this 3-in-1. Right. it right at the edge there, just to frame the collage. Now, I thought about a focal point. This is already pre-made. This was stamped a long while back and fussy cut out. And I'm thinking, do I want a little leaf? Just to add a little bit of colour to this. I'll wait till I put the lid on that. We're getting a little bubble. Maybe will it fit? I'll just take that leaf off there. That's better. Yes, I think I like that. There we are. That was always just going to be a maybe. So that's quite good. A little bit of extra colour in the corner there. There, yeah. So happy with that. Get that wee corner down. Right, and third page, we're on a roll. Third page is super easy. And over here, we've got this, just a little ribbon trim down this page. So we'll add to that. And the prompt is that I'm going to use is label, and I have this label, some holy moly smashed avocado, heavenly or your money back. Well, it was heavenly, so we didn't get our money back. So I've cut, this was round the little plastic box, and I've cut this bit off, and I'm just going to use that as my label. And I've stamped label, again using one of my stamp sets. And I think I'm just going to put that underneath. Some of these circles pick out the colours from the label. Maybe there, like that. And I have a second label from an envelope, par avion airmail, little airmail sticker that I thought might be quite nice, just adding a wee pop of blue there. Picks up the blue in the ribbon. I want it to face that way. Oh no, it needs to go that way. It needs to go this way, yep. And I've brought out some washi that I might add at the end. We'll see. Right. Let's use this cleaner piece, because you start to get glue on the other side of your bits, and there's nothing worse than gluey bits. So, now that's not the right way round. See, there always has to be one time where I try to stick something on upside down. It's just the way of it. There is always something goes on the wrong way round. Now let's see. This is quite thick. I think I'm going to use the upgraded glue. There we are, just because that label is quite thick and the Pritt stick might not hold it. Just give it a second. And while that's doing its thing, let's think whether we want, if we can find the end. I don't know why I can't find the end, because I had the end. There it is. And I was thinking maybe underlining the word label. What do you think? Yeah. Right. Well, super easy, super quick. That's the way we like it. And we have already ticked off, because it's great to be able to tick off a list. Hello, collage and label. And I think I'll jump about, but they're actually all quite straightforward. Sketch your view might be a little bit tricky because I'm not a good sketcher. Daily snippets quite easy. Typography quite, but a photo, need to print off a photo. Anyway, that's first 3 pages done. We've started, and yeah, have you joined in? Good fun, for sure. We'll just clip that onto there, and we'll keep that safe for the next prompts. Okay, thanks for joining me today. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.